Hello everyone, this is Ambuj Dixit, and in the series of experiments in database lab, we are going to do the 8th experiment, that is PLSQL functions. So in PLSQL we have procedures and functions. So the first procedure which we are going to see is to create a stored procedure that displays name and customer ID of the customer whose booking ID is passed as parameter. So the create or replace procedure syntax is there. After that, the name of the procedure, that is pro, that is a local variable. Inside that, num in number, so num is passed as parameter. Now number is the data type. In is cust ID 1, that is customer ID 1, and login name as varchar number and varchar. Now let's now this begin thing. After begin, I will select, and after that I will write a query, that is cust ID login name into cust ID 1 login name 1 from customer details, where cust ID is equals to select cust ID from booking, where booking number is equals to num. Now this is the same thing which we did earlier, that is writing a query part. Now here a new thing can be seen is dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. So this is a instruction which asks the editor to print something on the console, that is cust ID 1 and login name would be printed, so that our procedure would be a bit more easier to see. So here is the execution of the procedure, execute pro, that is pro is the procedure name, and inside the parameter which we passed number. So when we pass it, we see what procedure we created and its output. So the next question is to create a stored procedure that receives the car ID and raise in price as parameter. So this time I have to put two parameters. It raises the price of that car in the car details table. So now you can see create or replace procedure. I have given two inputs, is car ID number 5. Now this is the car ID variable. After that base price, after that begin, after that the query, and end, it's update query. So procedure got created. After that select star from price details, you can see the updated table. Now the third query is to create a stored procedure which takes booking and date cust ID as input. So again create or replace procedure, two parameters pass date and booking and cust ID. Again the query, as you can see the query over here, that is select count return date booking into return booking date into num from booking, where cust ID is equals to cust ID 1. dbms underscore put output dot put underscore line, it is num end. So this is the table after modification. So next is to write a procedure that deletes the car record whose car ID number is passed to it. So again car ID number is passed. If such car number is non-existent, raise no data found exception. So to raise application error -2500 no data found. So this procedure will be created. To write a function to display a price of booking with a given booking number. So to create a replace function, the booking number is passed. Booking is passed with the data type number. Now the price number is 3. Begin select base price per day into price from price details. Now this is our query. It will return price and end. So this is the function, as you can see. Now the sixth one is to create a function which counts total number of cars having price more than 500. Here is a small point to notice is we will always have a return type in a function which is not there in the procedure. And one more thing to be noted over here is we can call a function through a procedure, but we can't do that vice versa. That is, we cannot call a procedure through a function. So as you can see, the next thing is to create a replace function from fun6, that is booking number. Now I'll return number, and the price number is this, and the begin. After that the query, and the return price function will be created. Now the seventh and the last one is to create a function which displays the car details when the color is given as input. So create a replace function fun, the name of the function, data type varchar2 of color. Now return car details percentage row type. So after that details of car will be returned. Is price car details row type begin. So this is row type function. Now select star into price from car details where car color is equals to color. So this is the query, very easy query. After select star, that is select everything into price, and the price is what we have created from car details. Car details is the table where color is equals to color, that is the color is the table column which we have equated with color, which is there in the function. Now return price, the price would be returned, so the function got created. So we did about 7 questions in understanding procedures and functions. So Thank you very much for watching.